Hello, everyone, and welcome to our business model storyboard presentation. First, let's meet our innovators. We have Michael Osnani, Melissa DeSaro, and I am Stephanie Moje. Today, I am seeking your approval for a project designed to address one of the most urgent challenges facing modern organizations. That's ensuring accountability, engagement, and compliance within remote and hybrid teams, while also minimizing risk, achievable, measurable return on investments. Uh, This initiative is referred to as the AI Enhanced Engagement and Compliance Platform. It is a comprehensive system that integrates effortlessly with existing tools such as Slack, Jira, and Teams, thus guaranteeing that organizations sustains productivity, engagement, and compliance. Throughout this transition of remote work environments, we have seen a lot of the deficiencies and compliance concerns. Hybrid work is here to stay. However, it is flawed, fragmented, disengaged teams, and compliance deficiencies are just causing significant costs for many companies. Today, I will introduce you to a platform that not only addresses these issues, but fundamentally redefines how remote and hybrid teams maintain accountability, engagement, and compliance. We've designed this platform as a way to focus on engagement and compliance, as well as making the customers a priority. So, back around COVID timeframe, organization rushed into hybrid work setup. This resulted in oversight gaps, security exposures, and compliance failures. Leaders knows the risks that are rising, but they don't have the tools currently to help solve them with that problem. This is where our innovation comes in. Our mission is simple. It enables teams to be accountable, engaged, and compliant anywhere. But right now, teams are fighting three daily battles: uh, communication silos, accountability gaps, burnouts, and disengagements. And of course, can't forget about this expensive compliance risks. The pain that these organizations face is measurable. Gallup reports only 20% of remote workers are engaged. Regulated industries are already being fined for compliance failures, and our surveys have shown us that 100% of the top two box scores said this is not only a validation, but the managers are shouting, "We need your help right now with this." Excuse me. So, this is a $1 billion opportunity. Managers want a unified, integrated system. Customers are tired of juggling fragmented tools, um, and these industries cannot afford another compliance fine. Of course, the continuous burnout, the disengagement from the team, and the penalties that are triggers. So our value proposition is our platform tackles this heads on. It's compliance ready. Audit trails are built in. Workflows, united dashboard tied together teams, again, Slacks and Jira. And we have the AI features that follow up and that turn team meetings into actions. And of course, you can notice burnout detection and alerts before it's even too late. So we have a return on investment dashboard that finally proves the value of hybrid work. So these are some of the same topic we just covered in the previous slide. So we're not just another tools. We are the only platform that integrates seamlessly with tools employers and employees already use. Embedded compliance from the ground up and a combined engagement and accountability. That's our moat. Okay. So why do will our customer switch? I mean, it's simple. It solves unacceptable struggles. It integrates existing tools. saves compliance failure costs, and protects employee engagements and retention. So, some of our key activities are what make this system smart and compliant. For all the many details we mentioned, API integration, machine learning, analytics, compliance monitoring, automation that scales with our customers' needs. So, we have built a strong foundation, a compliance first approach um, platform here. So, some of our key partners on such this project will be Microsoft, Slack, Okta, and of course the compliance auditors, which makes us credible and trusted from day one. All right, our buyers and are going to be the market where we be targeting. Will also be HR leaders, operation and engineering directors, and decision makers in a regulated industries like IT, healthcare, and finance, where compliance and engagement aren't just optional, they are required. So now, what channels we'll be using? So we're gonna try to do direct sales. We'll also meet customers where they are. So folks in Teams and Slack Marketplace will be going, outreach to LinkedIn, um, sales developers, reps, and trying to start building relationships. We'll also do referral programs, and of course do web demos and targeted ads using social media like TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn. So all the many different ones. So all right. So we have two different type of competitors. Our director competitors are ClickUp and Monday.com, Asana. And some of our indirect competitors are Airtable and Slack. But what they our direct competitors they lack, uh, they don't have the combined engagement and accountability piece that compliance plus compliance that we provide. So customers told us exactly what they want, which was just the compliant built in already. Of course, the seamless integration, engagement, and accountability. So, and based on of our uh, push pull, we've definitely got 100% feedback from managers, which validated our testing and gave us those high scores. So it's not just an opinion; it's proof that the market needs and wants us. So what we've done, we've built stickiness throughout the high touch point on onboarding for support. We have dedicated customer success for managers. So we have peer communities and product coaching, you name it. So and peer forums. Um, so next, we're going to be taking a look at our revenue model. So our business is built, it's a straightforward model. It is well established. It's a tiered SaaS subscription system based on per seat licensing. So, and complemented by enterprise add-ons such as compliance packages. You have advanced analytics that we can add on, along with professional service for onboarding and integrations. It is designed to scale with customers in mind. It ranges from small business, medium size, and to big global enterprises. Revenue is generated primarily through our recurring SaaS subscription, extensive integration with platforms such as Teams and Slack. Once incorporated, usually difficult to displace. And of course, the compliance measures serve as a strategic protective barrier to help those business models. So, excuse me. So we have maintained a streamlined organizational structure for our costs. So direct and they are redirecting our investment towards the most critical areas such as engineering and infrastructures, cloud hosting and storage, because this requires a lot of storage, compliance audits, and definitely the customer support to enhance retention. So our primary expenditure includes sales and marketing. Of course, we have cloud hosting, engineering, security, and customer success. So each dollar spent is focused on fostering growth and improving retention, like mentioned earlier. So this is a strong business model. It is intended to continue recurring revenue, the integration, stickiness, of course, compliance, mode, validation from the real managers who confirm this demand. So this platform isn't just a one-off. It is designed to scale. The APIs and connectors, grow integrations, machine learning continuously improves, and secure cloud infrastructure again support enterprise scales. The sustainability is locked in because we have the recurring SaaS revenue and the integration stickiness, the compliance, all gives us the competitive advantage over uh, our competitors. What are our risks and mitigation? Yes, there are risks, but we've planned for them. Adaptation is risk. Of course, it is addressed with phase rollouts and playbooks. Um, Integration fragility is also solved with the SLAs and monitoring, and privacy concerns, of course, are managed with DPA compliance and strict data controls. The risk is real, but the risk is managed. So, what we have done so far is we have done the top two box scores, the ratings. We did two of them. We did one on September 13th and one on September 20th for the value proposition. So both got good feedback. So after we got those results on September 27th, we decided to build a design strong, viable business model. So so now this is the fun part. What are we asking? So we are seeking $700,000 in seed funding. This round will enable us to obtain certification, enter the market, and acquire customers. It positions us for growth in the Series or A growth. So, also, how will this money be used? Great question you asked. So, here's the breakdown of pretty much how our funding will be. So, 62.5% will go to market and SAOCs readiness. So, that is sales team hiring, compliance certification, and executive championing. The next 25% of that funding will go towards advertising and content development. Like I mentioned, the TikTok, the LinkedIn, the social media. So, which will drive awareness and lead generation. So, 12%, 12.5% will be the free trials. So that's removing friction to adoption, letting customers experience the product, which help build value quickly. So this investment will get us to the market, secure early customers, and position us for uh, dynamic growth. So appreciate your time. Thanks again. The problem is urgent and it's costly. Our solution is validated, scalable, and integrated. The business model is recurring and sticky. We are transforming hybrid work from fragmented and risky into accountable, engaged, and compliant. Now is the moment to act. Give us the green light for this project, and let's capture the opportunity together. Thank you.